Hello everyone, my name is Prof Dimie Ogoina and I'm an infectious disease physician and a professor of medicine and infectious disease. I'm delighted to use everyone to the Prof Dimie Ogoina's mentorship series, otherwise called D-LENS or D-LENS, which stands for Learn, Empower, Nurture and Spark. My professional journey and my zeal for excellence and creativity has exposed me to a lot of challenges and also enabled me to acquire a broad range of skills, including skills in administration, in leadership, in research, in academics, and in medicine, in public health, and in the applications of technology and innovation to improve human life. And a Japanese proverb once says that better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a mentor. I've been privileged to serve as the provost of the medical school, the chief medical director of a teaching hospital, and the president of the Nigerian Infectious Disease Society. I've also been privileged to have been recognized as one of nature's top 10 scientists in 2022, and I've been listed as one of Time's 100 most influential persons in 2023 on account of our groundbreaking discovery of a new type of mpox in 2017 in Bayelsa, Nigeria. My passion for technology and innovation has enabled me to acquire practical skills in app development, in website and graphic design, in 2D animations, and in development of animated medical and non-medical games. All my accomplishments would have been impossible without the grace of God, the assistance and the help of family members, friends, and the guidance of mentors. So the D-LENS Mentorship Series is an opportunity that I have working in partnership with other mentors to provide a platform to enhance the skill sets and improve knowledge base and the attitudes and the competencies of younger professionals, especially in the health and educational sectors, and to accelerate the process in which they will achieve their various goals. So I'm very delighted to introduce everyone to this mentorship series, and I look forward to the opportunity to learn from the mentees and also to learn from the fellow mentors.